Let's match letters to sounds by reading recipe. Cat. K, a, t. The a is missing in cat. Which letter makes that sound? A, E, O. A says a in cat.
Yay!
Cut. K, a, t. The is missing. What letter says in cut? I, O, U. U says in cut.
Hooray!
Sun. S, n. The s is missing in sun. What letter makes the s sound? F, R, S. S says s in sun. Run. R, n. The r is missing in run. Which letter makes the r sound? F, R, S. R says r in run.
Hooray!
Rug. R, g. The g is missing in rug. What letter makes that sound? G, K, W. G says g in rug.
Yay!
Van. V, a, n. The v is missing. What letter makes the v sound? Q, V, Y. V says v in van.
Hooray!
Dog. D, A, G. The d is missing. Which letter makes the d sound? M, H, D. D says d in dog. Bed. B, E, D. The e is missing in bed. Which letter makes that sound? I, A, E. E says e in bed.
Yay!
6. S, I, X. The I is missing in 6. Which letter makes that sound? I, A, O. I says I in 6. Boy. B, oy. The b is missing in boy. What letter makes that sound? T, J, B. B says B in boy.
Hooray!
Ball. B, A, L. The L is missing in ball. What makes that sound? L, L, P, N. L, L says L in ball.
Yay! The end.